Today I'm going to crochet the strawberry keychain. And before starting, everyone do like, subscribe and share. To crochet the strawberry, for materials we need to have a scissor and 3mm hook size, and then I have small needles and then stitch marker, and we need to have a red yarn, white and green yarn. So now let's begin. Start with a magic ring, and we are going to make a body of strawberry. So it's a magic ring, chain 1, and into the magic circle we have to make a 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. Tighten up the yarn, and now I'm gonna do next round number 2. We have to make a 1 single crochet first and mark the first stitches here, and after this we have to increase means 2 times single crochet into the same stitches, again 1 single crochet and 1 increase, again 1 single crochet and then 1 increase, after doing this we are going to make round 3. For round 3, remove the stitch marker, make 1 single crochet first and then mark the first stitches, make another 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 1 increase. This is 1 increase, 1, 2, 1 increase. Now let's move into the round 4. Into the round 4 we are just going to make a single crochet around. In every stitches we have to make a 1 single crochet. Round 5, we have to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, round 6, we have to make a single crochet around, just a single crochet in every stitches. round 7, we have to make a 2 single crochet and 1 increase. One single crochet, 2, and then 1 increase. 1, 2, and 1 increase. Round 8, a single crochet around. We have to make a single crochet in every stitches. Mark the stitch, first stitch, single crochet, round 9, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet, mark the first stitches, and we are going to do 2, 3, and 1 increase. Round 10 and round 11, we have to make a single crochet around. Round number 12, we have to make a 3 single crochet and mark the stitches first, and we will do 2 single crochet, 3, and then 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, decrease. 1, 2, 3, decrease. Round 13, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. We will do stuffing now. Round 14, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. One single crochet, and we will do 1 decrease. Round 15, decrease around. We have to decrease for 6 times. Remove the stitch marker and make a 1 slip stitch. Leave a little bit longer tail to fasten off this pattern to assemble. Okay, first we will assemble this pattern. We need to use a needle, Okay, after this I'm gonna cut the yarn, and we have to make a white line to make a strawberry shape and to make a strawberry design. Continue. We need to make a total of 5 petals, 1 2 3 4 5, and skip one and make a slip stitch into the last one here. Leave a little bit longer tail, and we have to attach this part here. And we need to use the needles. So we are going to make a keychains. I need to bring a keychain holder. First I have to take this yarn into the middle side.